I just want to demonstrate the heavy-duty ATV folding loading ramps. Comes with comfortable plastic carrying handles and some comfortable gloves to protect your hands during installation and use. Open the ramps and install the non-slip head plate against the tailgate. Cinch the straps to the tailgate so they can't slide out when you're trying to load a heavy piece of equipment. The pair of ramps are able to carry or hold 950 pounds. So you can load an ATV or lawnmower. Because they are two ramps instead of one, you can infinitely adjust the width of the ramps for larger or smaller vehicles. And we can easily walk the four-wheeler right up into the back of the truck. Takedown and storage is very quick. Just fold up the individual ramps, slide them in the back of the truck, and away we go. They are very strong but very light and can be maneuvered by one person. The cinch straps also are included. As you can see, the loading ramps have a textured metal grating that is very non-slip. Unloading is similar. Just walk the four-wheeler back down the ramps. The ramps are wide enough for oversized tires. In this application, we can move the ramps closer together and walk up a snowblower or other piece of yard equipment like a lawn tractor. The ramps are very non-slip. We can definitely walk up the ramps without fear of injury.